Hello, future CatCar owners. My name is John Osgood. I am the principal designer of CatCar Boats. CatCar is a 24-foot power catamaran that features extraordinary comfort and ride. The hulls are built of aluminum for structural strength and durability. The passenger compartment is made of thermoformed acrylic sheet, which provides outstanding performance in the marine environment. Sliding doors can be open or closed for air-conditioned, heated, or open-air temperature control. Comfort of ride is achieved by a patented suspension system that reduces wave impact. Captain chair seating is standard equipment for all occupants. CatCar is powered by two 90-horsepower outboard motors that run extremely efficient due to the hydrofoil that is mounted between the two hulls. The hydrofoil also provides ultra-stable turning capability. Driving CatCar is quite enjoyable and familiar. Power steering comes as standard equipment for effortless docking and maneuverability. CatCar Boats deliver economy of operation with unparalleled elegance.